Hi guys, Aniq here. Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So today we have this thing. So let's open it up and see what's inside. And here we have a case and other things. So this case is for the Moto G Stylus. We unboxed that before. You guys can go check that video out. And this is the case for it. So here you guys can see the case. Looks cool. Let me take things out. Okay, so here you guys can see the case, front, back. That's how it looks. It's navy blue and blue. You guys can see. So that's the case. This looks like a pretty durable case. So it has like that cover there. You guys saw the case. What comes with the case is 2 screen protectors, which is pretty good. So you don't have to buy one separately, and they don't look like glass screen protectors. They're plastic ones, so it will still work. And there's the kit for the screen protector accessories. Let's see. So over here we have the phone itself there. It looks pretty good, the back too. So we're gonna install the screen protector on this and then also the case. So let's do it. I tried to install the screen protector on, but there were little problems with the screen protector itself. So when I aligned the screen protector, the camera hole doesn't align up for some reason. I tried it with both screen protectors. It really didn't work. And also the screen protector is like too long, and it just like comes off from there. So like these screen protectors really aren't like good, you could say. Okay, so we're not gonna put this in the case, and let's take off the case. So you have to take the outer thing first, and then take off these. Now we put in the phone. Okay, so we got the phone into the case. It looks pretty good. It's pretty fat too. You can still take out the stylus pretty easily, which is good. One thing I don't like about it is that it's kind of loose. You can feel it like kind of shaking in it. The buttons work pretty good too. You guys can see it there. The front, the back. So this case is okay. It works with this phone pretty well. It fits too. You guys can see it again there. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video. Remember to subscribe to our channel and remember to hit the bell icon. Bye.